Good morning, everybody. So today's adventures start at Rainbow Springs State Park, but they didn't start there because we ended up in the middle of nowhere having to do an 8-point turnaround in the Suburban on this little bitty dirt road because yeah, with drop-offs on either side because navigation sucks. So anyway,
like Jurassic Park, and there were dinosaurs.
There were dinosaurs, right? We were in the Jurassic Park of Florida. But anyway, we're here now. We're headed into the park. Gonna see if we can find us some kayaks and do some kayaking today. Let's go check this place out. I'm pretty sure you have. But anyway, let's go check this place out. See what's going on. Swimming area closes at 7. Here we go. All right, so we're in the park. Let's check this place out. It is just people are setting up, packed. Over here is the spring, just hanging out on the side of the hill, going swimming. Angie's like, look at that water, it's so pretty. I was like, yeah, I bet it's fucking cold too. She's like, shut it. Shut it. Okay.
It's like a theme park.
It is. What was that?
Very nice and clean.
It's like a theme park? It's like a theme park. A Florida theme park.
They've done a very good job.
Very Jurassic looking. Yeah. Which, I mean, this is Florida. If the old people don't kill you, the wildlife will.
There you go.
Anyway, there's the spring.
The color, I don't know if they can tell that color, but
they'll see it here in a little bit. But yeah, you can see all the way to the bottom. It's pretty clear. Pretty clear.
The blue.
We'll show you when we get over there. Like I said, if the old people don't kill you, the wildlife will. Don't swim with the gators. Don't pet the gators. Don't feed the gators. And don't be the slowest guy in your group. All right, we're here. I don't know if you guys can see. That's how clear the water is. You can see all the way to the bottom.
It's deep.
It is deep, and it is cold.
Very, very cold.
And it's great. That's what I need. A pedal boat.
Yeah, I would saw it.
Anyway, Christina left her mask up there, so Brian ran to get it real quick. He'll be back shortly.
It was so dialed in there for a minute. That boat, before we even saw it coming around the corner, I sounded like it was right in front of us.
We're cruising down Rainbow River. You see how clear the water is? Like, you see how clear that is? It's crazy.
I want to teach Sage.
And it's a little chilly.
Yeah.
And there's the sunshine. There's the rain. And we're just chilling. What a boring day. What more can we ask for? A boring ass day. All right, she went to the bathroom. All right, guys, that is the end of our kayaking adventures. It was fun. We got back within a 15-minute window, so we saved an hour on fees. Look at us go. Timing is everything. But what a great time. The water is cold. The only person that got into it was Miss Ruffer. She's the rougher, tougher of us all. See what I did there? Anyway, we're gonna go find Mama, and then we're headed out to get some food. Then we're gonna go let the Sage out, and then who knows what we're doing this evening. But I'm sure we'll find a cool place to eat, hang out.
Look at all the people.
See all the, yeah, look at all the people out here jumping in the spring.
Beautiful.
The water is beautiful. All the people out there swimming. Look at how clear this water is. You can't even tell there's water down there. That's how clear it is. It looks like it's feeding from right there.
Yeah.
Where it's rippling. Anywho, that's it for the Rainbow River Park. Okay, so the adventure has not stopped. So Brian left his phone in the boat. So Brian is now boating down the river to get his phone. I did call some little girl, picked it up.
I assume a little girl.
I assume a little girl. It was a girl, let's put it that way. Either that or his balls hadn't dropped yet. One or the other. Anyway, so he is he's headed downriver to get his phone. We're gonna explore the waterfalls since we got nothing else to do. Except wait for Brian to return. I should call and see if he's got his phone yet. Anyway, we're gonna go check out some waterfalls. All right, we found a waterfall. It's the Seminole Falls. There it is. Ooh. Brian is back on land. He has his phone. So we're just waiting on him to catch up with us. Yay! Alright, so we got lunch here at Cheers. Looks like they got a little stage out here with places to sit. So they probably have some music out here from time to time. A blackboard where people write stuff. Look at that. He said, she said, the Motors. Those must be the different bands.
Yeah.
Karmic Revenge, Bills to Pay, Shifting Gears, Cam Wheaton. That's pretty cool. All right, are we ready? All right, adventure is done. We're headed back to the hotel for a little while. Then we'll find something to get into tonight. I'm sure it'll be water and seafood and ice cream and all that fun stuff. All right, for dinner we ended up at Crackers Bar and Grill. Crackers Bar and Grill. We didn't even get to order yet, and Angie ended up out there. Literally jumped up and said, just order me whatever. I'm gonna go dance. All right, food is over. We came out to look at the water. The bands are playing over here.
For the Gators, all right, they're gonna be good this year. They may not do what they did last year, but they got a lot of recruits this year. So
what?
You get beaten up by both.
Yep. All right, we're headed back to the hotel. We're gonna go hang out by the pool. All right, guys, that's a wrap. We made it back to the hotel and everybody gave up. Nobody wanted to go get in the pool. So we just came back. Angie's reading. Well, I think she's working right now, but she's supposed to be reading.
I'm just posting.
Okay, she's just posting. That's not working.
Stuff.
That's not our job or anything.
It's personal stuff. It's not work.
Anyway, so we're just chilling in the room, watching some TV, and I'm wrapping up this video. But I've had a really great weekend. What do you think, Ange? Good weekend?
Amazing.
Been a good weekend. Tomorrow morning we're gonna get up, go eat breakfast, and then head back to reality. So had a good time. The springs were awesome today, and just hanging out with Brian and Christina was great. So hopefully we can do this again sometime. But
yeah, I'm so glad they let us hang with them.
Yeah, yeah, we kind of invited ourselves on the trip. So thank you guys for letting us go. It was a great time. But anyway, that's a wrap. We will see you all tomorrow.